Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can use guest mode in your Honor smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings like this. Swipe down, here it is user and account. Click on current user and here it is guest. Click on switch guest. Click on continue, and friends, you can see it is switching to the guest mode, and you can see it is a totally new phone appears. All the data is transferred to the owner and it is a guest. Uh, you can use multiple users in one phones. And if you want to switch to your owner, then go to settings, swipe down, here it is user and account. Click on guest mode and here it is owner. You have to just click on owner and click on switch user, and it is switching to owner. This is how you can switch in your Honor smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.